Hey y'all, so Erlen had to drive. He did all the driving. We had to drive almost 2 hours to see Amaya perform today in her cheer game.
First game of the season, baby.
Almost 2 hours that we gotta drive. Almost 2 hours to get back home. It's now 8:01. The game started at 8. So we won't get home till about 12, 1 o'clock in the morning. There go Rihanna. We gotta have snacks in Rihanna's jacket, her little hoodie, because we don't know if we can take it in the inside. Y'all know they be charging too much for them snacks. When I can go to the dollar store and get it for $1. There go her right there. Carmelo. Duke didn't want to come. He said the drive was too long, so he wanted to stay at the house, and that's what I did. I let him stay at the house. And we got to do a lot of walking. Amaya done texted me like 1,000 times asking where we was at. Gotta pay $5 to get in.
Third down and 10 for the Bobcats.
My butt gonna be hurting sitting on this thing. Butt gonna be hurting. Y'all look what we got to sit on. Like we in prison or something. Look at that.
There you go. He got
My camera
Morgan with the carry. Morgan takes over first down and 10 at the 9-yard line after the interception.
I know y'all know which one is Amaya. The one to my left. Riri to help you find the bathroom.
Morgan back deep to pick for Star Spencer.
So y'all know I did not want to buy drinks when I came here, but it's just so hot outside. We gotta pay $3 for one. Well, $6 for two. $6 for two sodas. Ridiculous. I can get a 12-pack for that.
Thanks.
Your pop is not cold.
Yeah.
Mine is. You better get you a cold one. No, you paying for it. Get you something cold.
I'm not finna drink this right now anyway.
But your money worth. They gonna give him a hot soda. Ain't nobody paying $3 for no hot pop and it's hot outside. Look what time it is. 1:13, and Amaya just not making it from the game. Look, there she go. They want to eat, make them work. They want to go in the store and ask for everything in there, make them work. Don't just give them what they want. What you do? Oh, so she raked up all the grass, y'all, right there. And there go Carmelo in his little pile. He said, hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. This me on my off day. I gotta wash my hair. That blonde hair I had on yesterday, that was a wig, y'all. I went to Amaya game last night. I sweated my hair out. Woke up this morning, cleaned up the house. Rihanna had volleyball practice at 11 o'clock. It's 11:28. Just got done cleaning the house, so I'm here at Church's because I do not feel like cooking. Y'all, I'm gonna get this Texas Grande meal right there for $30.99. It actually is enough to feed a family of 6. I think I'm gonna add like a chicken sandwich to it too because I never had Church's chicken sandwich. I always get KFC and Popeyes. They got a cherry Sprite. Have I had cherry Sprite before? I don't think so. Have y'all tried those honey butter biscuits? A single biscuit is $1.49. I might have to try it, but not today. Yeah, so I usually eat out on just Fridays, but I got a long day today, so we're gonna eat out today. I didn't get up and cook breakfast. I just got up. We didn't get home till like 11 something. Then I had to go pick up Amaya from the school at 1 something this morning. So we all kind of slept in late, and I just didn't feel like cooking. So yeah, I'm here getting Church's. Amaya gonna do something to my hair. I think. Oh, y'all see my gray hair? I think I'm gonna get like a bun at the top. Something simple. I need to take a break from braiding. Don't y'all hate when they be like, I have your total at the window. Now what if I don't have enough money? I might have to put some back. I need the total as soon as I place the order. So yeah, I ended up getting chicken. Oh y'all, look at those biscuits. They is fresh. I asked him did they have some honey. He gonna tell me no. This the second time in 2 weeks y'all done told me no, y'all don't have any honey. That's the stuff be pissing me off too. Got the okra. They be being stingy with the size. I got a chicken sandwich. They got my fries. I never had their chicken sandwich, so I was being greedy. And I got one, so let's see what it's looking like. And I asked for extra pickles. This bread seems like it's hard. There y'all go. Yeah, this bread seems like it's hard. But I'm going to taste it when I get home. So y'all, after leaving Church's, I promise I'm going to look like a whole different person when I record again. After leaving Church's, paying $40.41. So I just left Church's. I'm here at the dollar store. I'm going to get some paper towel if they have some for $1. And as of now, I'm not saying it. But anyways, I just left Church's and they didn't have any honey. If I just gave y'all $40.01, the least y'all can have is the condiments. And what's Church's without the honey? That's what y'all known for. The honey and the chicken. So now I gotta come in here and buy some honey. And look how much it costs y'all. $4.65. So this is sticky. So let me get this for $4.65. I'm not putting the camera back on my hair because my hair is a hot mess. But Amaya gonna hook me up later. I came in here for something to drink. I didn't see any paper towels for $1. And I'm gonna do like a shopping vlog later, so I don't wanna spend too much money in here because I know I have to go to another store. I think I'm gonna go to Ollie's. I'm gonna double check for the paper towel because I really need some. And the cheapest I'm seeing it is $2.50, and I don't want to pay $2.50 for one. I just don't feel like it's worth it. Do y'all think it's worth $2.50? No. So I'm not gonna get it. I wonder how much this is. If that's $4.25, But it's a home line. And this the dollar store brand right here. Hopefully this not $4.25. Or I'm gonna put this back. Let's see. Somebody just got it in the wrong. They got it in the wrong spot. And then I also came in here to get something to drink because when you buy them drinks, when you eat out, they give you mostly ice. So I'm gonna come and get me a bottled drink. Come in here and get me a cold drink. Even though they cost more, but oh well. Y'all know I love Pepsi. I'm gonna get this cherry Pepsi. And I'm gonna get her a grape. I asked the kids if they need juice. And Amaya said that they still have juice, so I'm not gonna get any of that. And yeah, y'all, let's head to checkout. So, how was practice, Rihanna? Rihanna just got out of practice, y'all. You tired? Oh, I had my... So, Rihanna just washed my hair, y'all. I did not know my hair was thick like this. I believe it's because of the oil that Rihanna made. I use that in everybody's hair, so it's actually working, to be honest. My hair is so thick. I usually perm it like once a year, but I don't know when I'm going to get another perm. And Amaya is about to do my hair in like a bun. And I'm going to show y'all whenever she get done with it. Okay, y'all, so Amaya hooked me up real quick.
Let me ask you
What y'all think? I gotta wash Carmelo hair too, y'all.
I have so much hair.
Comment below if Melo look like me or his daddy. Who you look like?
My daddy.
Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.